So the truck holds 10 yards max. They're carrying 9. It's 6 bag concrete. They can go up to 12 bag, which apparently is used on freeways and roads. He can honestly carry 10 yards. He's only carrying 9 because this project is 17 yards. So you can see that he's carrying this device, has an electric motor on it, and it's vibrating it. So we get a nice smooth surface. Smooth is good. Kind of fun to watch this being done. I've never been this close, this up front with something like this. Hope you can hear me. It is kind of noisy. If you can't, that's life. Kind of fun to have a record of what's being done. So, things are fun, having a good time. I'll get back to you. Talk to you later. Bye.